Welcome to SEMA 2024 and our awesome KCX booth. If you weren't able to make it out this year, don't worry, I've got you. We got hands-on with our new pads. We had a really awesome demo station with color lock and new products. The first thing you're going to notice and really pops out is this beautiful 2024 GT3 RS provided by Vegas Auto Gallery. Our lettering here, another centerpiece of our booth, you're going to see all of the consumer line where you can get a little hands-on and check things out. Come over here and check out our demo station with polishes, compounds, and our new pads. Diego, what do we have going on, man?
Oh man, this is so awesome. We got a chance to really showcase all of our new pads that are coming out. It's super cool. We're just letting everybody know what the difference is really, the cell structure is a little bit different and it's gonna last a little bit longer, distribute the heat a little bit better. You got rounded off edges, which is gonna let you last your pad not only a little bit longer, but you'll also be able to go over the contours of a car or vehicle a lot better. And it's just a real well put pad now that we have, especially for soft and for hard. It's just a few differences that are gonna make our lives a lot better, a lot easier as a detailer. And we're showcasing it, man. You wanna see how it works?
Let's see it, man.
Let's do it, brother. What I love, honestly, is the fact that two things. We're not blowing up, all the dust everywhere because of diminishing compounds that's in it. The cell structure is continuing to keep the pad a little bit cooler, giving you more work time. And like our chemical always does, it allows you to see and look through it, man, and be able to see where you're at instead of wipe down, do it again. What I'm doing, which is a little unconventional, a lot of people are like, wait, you shouldn't be putting on that much time onto it. But honestly, I just let them, hey, touch the pad, tell me if it's hot or cold,
Nice.
So it's cooled off a little bit. And that's the reason why I'm laying on it a little bit longer. But then look at the finish. That's your H9.
Nice gloss right there.
Yeah, man, H9 cut. So normally you don't get that kind of cut with all the other products that I've used in the past. You get it a little cloudy on the black, especially. It just does what it does, man, and it's amazing.
I'm glad we're able to give people hands-on experience with this whole week. This is awesome.
Yeah, it is pretty cool. This is something that I don't normally recommend that everybody do, but another thing I'm showing them is, hey, check this out. Diminishing compounds, man, keeps on working. That to me is priceless, right? Again, I don't recommend that everybody goes back on it, it's dry, but the object is just so that they can see that the product just keeps on working as you use it. So it's just, man, it's KCX all day.
It's an awesome station, man. We're gonna check some things out over here. We'll catch you in a minute.
We'll catch you up.
And here we have our new product wall, along with a few products we already have, but this is gonna be our new product wall. And here is something that we're super excited about, our new pressure sprayers. So we have 3 versions plus a larger version. This is an acid to match with our red line wheels and acids. So that's gonna be for your acids. We also have the foam sprayer. This is a 2-liter foam sprayer, it's a big boy. So this is gonna be yellow. We matched it up with yellow due to the shampoo's foaming and the aspect, but you can foam other chemicals in this as well. And this is our alkali sprayer. This is gonna be great for Green Star, Multi-Star, all those green labeled products. Not only the small sizes, like I said though, we also have the big ones as well. These are a 6-liter in the same color coordination. We have the reds for wheels, acids, and the greens for alkalines, and that such thing. But we're super excited about them. Let's see what else we have. And over here we have our lounge area. Need a break? Have a seat? Prop up for a while, come talk to us. But we also have snacks. Snacks, waters, some energy drinks, all the good stuff. And you need some smells, we have our secret smell case right here. But the wall portion itself is all our new pads. So you can come and actually see every size of each pad we offer, and you can come fill them and check out the new items. Koch-Chemie's been great for us this year. Let's talk to Ian, and hey, you wanna show us a demo?
How's it going, Justin?
Yeah,
so this is our interior cleaning station here at Koch-Chemie. So we're showcasing 2 different interior cleaners. First, we got Polestar. It's a pH neutral cleaner, safe for all interiors. We got door cards, everything in the interior you can use it on. Then we've got a leather specific cleaner, our Color Lock mild leather cleaner. We also have a strong, but if you have any mild soils for this type of application, we're just gonna go with the mild. So I'll demonstrate the Polestar. We're gonna go up on the front here. We've got some dirt. I'm just gonna spray it out of our little pump foamer, excuse me. We wanna do this because least moisture. We don't wanna spray onto the leather. The leather is just like our skin. It'll accept moisture. So we're just gonna go ahead here and clean. We've been doing some live demonstrations all day here at SEMA. So the top here is Polestar. After I clean here, I'll do the bottom with the mild leather cleaner from Colorlock so that you can see the difference. They both do excellent at cleaning. They're both pH neutral. So that's the top, looking good. I'll use the mild leather cleaner. We're also using a plastic bristle brush. When you rub, it doesn't heat up. We don't want to heat up the leather. So we'll also pump this one in. We'll go ahead and go and wipe. 20, 30, 45 seconds of scrubbing, circular motions, pluses, medium to hard pressure depending on the soil level. This soil level is not too hard, so you don't need to go for too long. And then we'll wipe. Oh. And then we'll go ahead and show the difference here, and it should look beautiful. There you go. So you can see that dirt there in the middle. There's not too much to show, but enough where you can see the difference. So you got Polestar at the top, mild leather cleaner at the bottom. So that's what we're doing here, just showcasing for people walking by. And that's the interior station here at Koch-Chemie.
Hey, it's working great, man.
That's
Appreciate
right.
it.
Thank you.
Let's go ahead over here to talk to Andrew about our new releases. Andrew, let's talk about the new stuff we have going on.
Oh yeah, man. Hey guys, yeah, so we've got our, of course, our seasonal soap that everyone has come to know and love now.
One time a year.
GFX, and it smells like Christmas in a
Christmas in a
bottle.
bottle.
All we can say about it. We've got CES Ceramic Effect Shampoo, which is going to give you some fantastic hydrophobic. We're known for coming out with great products like that, so that's going to be an exciting one. We've already gotten some amazing feedback on it, so excited for everyone to get their hands on it and give it a shot. Then, of course, something we've been honestly missing a good bit in our lineup and in our life, so fantastic textile sealant, which is going to do all of the things that you would expect it to for your textiles and your carpets and things like that. So you see that beading, you see that protection, all the good stuff there. And next, we have Hydroplast Care, which is a water-based tire and plastic dressing. So we're super excited for that to come over. And then last but not least, MZR, which is going to be a great interior cleaner.
Oh, we have two more though. What about these?
Of course, yes. Highly anticipated, highly excited about this ceramic body and ceramic rim. So both of these products are going to be a great addition to your arsenal. We've got both of them in 30 mil format as well, which has been highly requested throughout the US market. So we cannot wait for these to get over here to make a great impact, to make your life easier.
Exciting new things from SEMA 2024.
What do you think of this thing? What do you think about it?
That's what I have.
Yeah, you use it a lot?
Love it.
Good.
That's what I use for interiors. I don't use it for anything else. I don't
Just-
use it for a house.
What about you?
That is my interior.
You're an idiot. You're an idiot. You already told me what you're doing.
Oh, he caught us. Diego, what do you think of this drill? You like it?
Yeah, I do.
Nice.
Like that.
What do you think about this drill?
What's that?
What do you think about the drill?
I think it's silver.
It is silver.
It's nice. What?
Just making sure. What do you think about this drill? You like it?
I like it.
Yeah? You think it's a good drill?
I mean, I think so. I haven't played with it so much.
Daily thing all the time.
Yeah.
There we go.
You can't give this to me and expect me not to do it.
That's what I like to hear. I
Always
appreciate
got
that.
a little.
Yeah, you have to.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm dressed up as Santa, and we're gonna go give out some GFX bottles. Ho, 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 ho. Just the season for GFXmas. Let's go find some nice or naughty people. Christmas in a bottle. Merry Christmas. She's been nice. Don't worry, Santa's just behind you. It's okay. Santa? Oh, it's me. We're gonna find somebody to give this to today. Hey, there's Diego. I see him. He's right there. Oh, this looks like a nice sleigh. How many reindeer does it have? Merry Christmas. Would you like to smell?
I'm all about it.
All right. This is Brendan, everybody. I think that's his name, if I remember right.
Yeah.
Yep,
You got,
it's
I'm on the good
Brendan.
list. I'm on the good list.
He's from Utah.
Oh, that's kind of a. What do you think?
What do you smell?
That's Christmas in a bottle.
That's Christmas in a bottle.
That's happiness and joy.
Oh. Does it come in red?
I have not been a good boy at all. I've been a very dirty boy. You don't have anything to help me with?
Have you been a good boy this year?
You're kidding me.
You brought it back.
Have you been a good boy this year?
No.
These guys are horrible and naughty. I see a nice guy over here. I think he's been very nice this year. Let's go see.
Oh,
Have
thank
you
you, Santa.
smelled Christmas in a bottle?
No.
Well,
Oh, this is amazing.
what does it smell like?
It smells like Christmas.
Smells like Christmas. Where'd my
Oh,
hat
for
go?
sure.
Lost my hat. Found it, found it. I had the perfect gift for everyone. Oh. Merry Christmas! Oh, ho, ho! Okay, okay, okay. A cap. I got one. A cap. A gift for me?
Yeah. Santa.
Have you been nice?
Yeah.
Would you like to smell Christmas in a bottle?
What's that?
Oh.
Yeah.
How does it smell?
Not bad.
Not bad. Does it smell like Christmas?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, try.
Try.
Smell like Christmas.
Oh, that's the wrong song. Oh, well, I hope you've been good this year. Oh, thank you. Oh. Snow foam.
Oh, the new snow foam. What's it smell like?
Yeah.
Oh.
What does it smell like?
That is there's cinnamon and something and
Cinnamon and baked apple.
And baked apples?
Baked apples.
Oh, man.
I'm selling joy and happiness. What do we have? Watch out! Rudolph ran by you.
Are you the real Santa?
I am not.
I'm not. Why are you
Would you like to smell Christmas in a bottle?
Oh, okay.
A nice snow foam.
Wow.
A nice snow foam.
What do you got? What's going on? Oh, wow.
Oh, yes.
That's good stuff.
Yes, see?
That's good stuff.
I like it. Very good.
Ooh, that smells super good. What is that?
It's Gentle Snow Foam Christmas Edition.
Ooh. I love that.
How do I land on the roof of this rooftop tent? Huh. There's no chimney in here.
It's crazy.
It's right. Christmas in a bottle.
Wait. Nah.
Time out. Let's smell again.
No way. Okay, I didn't even notice that. What? Okay, wait.
All right, we're smelling again. Smell again. Ah, yes, they do. They have another one of those rooftop tents. I still don't know how to get up on the roof. Oh, yes, this must be where the Christmas tree is.
Oh, it smells like cinnamon.
Cinnamon. What else? Baked apples?
Yeah.
Yes. Would you like to smell Christmas in a bottle? Yeah.
Oh, that smells really good.
Yes, this is the one. This is my sleigh for 2024. Merry Christmas and have a great year, but make sure, be nice, not naughty.
We'll try.
I will present you a bottle of GFX, Gentle Snow Foam Xmas.
Thank you.
I will present you with a bottle of GF Xmas,
Oh my
Gentle
God.
Snow Foam Christmas Edition.
Wow.
There we go. Enjoy. I think it's time to give you an early Christmas gift. I present to you Gentle Snow Foam Xmas, Christmas in a bottle.
Thank you, Santa.
Thank you, Inspired Overland.
Oh, thank you, Santa.
We'll see you next year.
All right, Santa.
Okay.
Make sure I'll be nice.
Ho, ho, ho.
Dude,
Have
that's
you been a good boy this year?
I've been a very good boy this year.
Very nice guy here. And I present you a gift, early Christmas gift.
Thank you.
Well, you're very welcome.
That's perfect.
Yeah, it's great.
You guys have a great holiday season and Merry Christmas.
Go get him, Santa.
Well, that's a wrap on SEMA Christmas. I think I found a new sleigh and there was a ton of nice people. Until next year, see you then.
Merry Christmas!